Hello friends, welcome back to Mother Made channel. Friends, today we will make dishwash gel which is used to wash utensils. Today we will make very low cost dishwash gel. Friends, I will show you the full practical video how to make dishwash gel. After completing the video, I will tell you the raw materials quantity. So please watch full video without skipping in between. So let's start. For that I have taken this sodium hydroxide flakes. You can call it caustic soda flakes. It is easily available in the local industrial chemical shops. Next ingredient is water. You can take RO water or distilled water, DM water. But please don't take tap water. First, I am taking some water in an empty vessel. Now, I am adding sodium hydroxide, means caustic soda, in this water. Now mix it properly. Mix till all the particles of sodium hydroxide dissolves in water. Friends, before starting to make dishwash gel, please wear hand gloves, face mask and goggles because sodium hydroxide is very corrosive. If even one drop falls on your skin, the skin will burn. See, after dissolving, it will look like this. This is acid slurry. It is also called lapsa. You can purchase it from the local industrial chemical shops. It is easily available there. Now I am mixing some water in acid slurry. Then mix it properly. It will take some time. Mix till the color changes. See, after mixing for some time, it will look like this. The color has changed. See. Remember, mixing is very important. Mix till the color changes to make good quality dishwash gel. Now, I am mixing some water of sodium hydroxide in this acid slurry solution. Then I am mixing it properly. Mixing is very important. It will change the color and the texture. Again, I am mixing some water of sodium hydroxide in this solution. Now I am mixing the remaining water of sodium hydroxide in this solution and then mixing it properly. Now I am adding total quantity of water which is required to add in this dishwash gel. I will tell you the quantity after the video. So please wait for the quantity. You should not add all the water at once. Add water slowly, very gradually, a little at a time. And keep on mixing it properly. After adding total quantity of water, it will look like this. Keep on mixing it. So I am mixing it. Now I am adding fragrance. You can add any fragrance of your choice. I am adding lemon fragrance. Fragrance should be water based. See, this is too foamy, so we will leave it for some time. After some time, it will look like this. See the texture. To make it thick, we will take some salt. It is a common salt which you use in your kitchen. Salt should be mixed very gradually, a little at a time. So I am adding a little salt and mixing it. I am adding some more salt because I want more thick dishwash gel. After adding salt, I am mixing it again. The liquid is not thick as desired. See? So I will add some more salt in it to make it thick. So I am adding some more salt and then again mixing it. You should mix salt till the desired thickness of solution is achieved. Friends, see the texture. I will leave it for overnight. Next day it will become more thick. Next day it will look like this. Now I am mixing yellow color in it. You can take any color of your choice. Color should be water based. Friends, your dishwash gel is ready. Friends, now I will show you the pH level of this dishwash gel. So this is a pH paper strip. It is easily available in the market. The pH of dishwash gel should be between 5 to 7. Now the pH level of this dishwash gel is coming 6. So the pH of this dishwash gel is perfect. I had already uploaded a video on how to balance pH level. So if you want to learn how to balance it, you can watch that video. Now I am filling this in a bottle. You can take any attractive bottle from the market if you want to do business. Many types of bottles are available in the market. See how it looks. Now I am showing you the quality of dishwash. For that I have taken some water and adding some dishwash in this water. See the result. It is of very good quality. See the foam, and it is made with a very low investment. Now I am telling you the quantity of raw materials. Please note it down. The quantity of caustic soda is 100 gram. The quantity of acid slurry is 600 ml. The total quantity of water should be 4 liter. First, take total quantity of water in a vessel, and then when you want to add water in acid slurry and water in caustic soda, add water from that vessel only. Salt should be added very gradually as I have shown in this video. Don't add extra salt. Stop adding salt as soon as the desired thickness is achieved. If you add extra salt, the solution will become watery again. For fragrance, you can add any fragrance of your choice. Fragrance should be water based. And for colors, the same. Add any color of your choice. The color should be water based. And the quantity of fragrance depends on you. If you want strong smell, you can add more. And if you want less smell, add less. Again, the same for color. Friends, did you like my video? If you do, please hit the like button and share my video with all your friends and relatives. And if you have any doubt, you can write down in the comment box. And friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. After pressing subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Press that bell icon also. After pressing bell icon, you will see 3 options. Please press the all button which is written on the top. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive notification as soon I will make new video in future. So if you want to see my future videos, please press the all button. So friends, now we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy.